The most brilliantly designed app can remain hidden in the vast ocean of app stores without proper optimization. Success in the digital marketplace requires more than just great functionality. It demands visibility, discoverability, and compelling presentation. The strategic ASO expertise delivered by Vikilinks transforms your app from a hidden gem into a discoverable sensation. We understand the intricate algorithms that drive App Store rankings and the psychology that influences download decisions. Our comprehensive approach ensures your app doesn't just exist in the store, it stands out and attracts. Every search term represents an opportunity to connect with potential users. We conduct deep keyword research that goes beyond basic terms, identifying the precise language your target audience uses when searching for solutions. Our data-driven approach analyzes search volumes, competition levels, and trending patterns to position your app where it matters most. The visual elements of your App Store presence serve as your digital storefront. We craft compelling app icons, screenshots, and preview videos that not only catch the eye but tell your app's story at a glance. Our designers understand the subtle psychology of App Store browsing, creating visuals that drive both interest and installs. Description optimization is an art form we've mastered. We craft compelling narratives that highlight your app's unique value proposition while seamlessly incorporating relevant keywords. Our descriptions don't just inform, they engage, persuade, and convert browsing users into active downloaders. We recognize that ASO is not a one-time effort, but a continuous process of refinement. Our team constantly monitors your app's performance metrics, analyzing user feedback, tracking ranking changes, and identifying new optimization opportunities. We adapt and adjust our strategy based on real performance data and evolving App Store algorithms. Localization plays a crucial role in global app success. We tailor your App Store presence for different markets, ensuring your messaging resonates with local audiences while maintaining your brand's core identity. From translated descriptions to culturally appropriate screenshots, we optimize for global reach and local impact. Rating and review management forms a vital part of our ASO strategy. We implement systems to encourage positive reviews, respond to user feedback, and maintain the social proof that influences download decisions. Your app's reputation becomes a powerful asset in driving organic growth. Launch your app's true potential in the digital marketplace. Our ASO specialists are ready to optimize your App Store presence and drive the visibility your app deserves. Contact us today and let's ensure your app reaches its target audience effectively. Your path to App Store success starts here.